Hey everyone, my name is Alexis and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Dive. Today, I want to tell you about the challenge faced by all the e-commerce brands that are using Shopify and that are scaling to $10 million in revenue and beyond. It's harder and harder for them to keep up with the data and grow profitably. Why? Because brands are using multiple tools and platforms across teams that generate a ton of data about their acquisition, their product, their finance, and their customers. But this data is hard to exploit due to a lack of technical resources and knowledge in their team. As a result, brands are struggling to drive their business based on accurate metrics. That's why Thomas, my co-founder, and I teamed up in January 2021 to help merchants grow profitably. Introducing Dive, the all-in-one business intelligence software built for the direct-to-consumer brands that are using Shopify and making more than $10 million in revenue. With Dive, we're unlocking access to a whole new data playground for e-commerce teams, a playground that used to be only accessible to developers with a strong e-commerce analytics background, until now. We're launching on the Shopify CMS first because the opportunity is huge. But building a state-of-the-art data infrastructure on top of Shopify is only the first step toward a bigger vision, becoming the growth enabler for every e-commerce stores on all the major CMS. In March 2021, we've built a first MVP and grew it to $2,500 in monthly recurring revenue in just 2 weeks. After months of iteration and consulting work with multi-million-dollar Shopify stores, we are now co-building the first version of Dive with a selected pool of well-known brands. To fuel our ambition, we closed the pre-seed round last July and hired 2 senior developers to complete the team. We are now getting ready to open the beta more widely, and our top priority right now is to talk with as many brands as possible and onboard them on Dive. Thank you.